In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a class on Canva. Whether you've completed your work, switched projects, or you're just tidying up, leaving a class you're no longer involved with is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and make this as easy as possible. First things first, go ahead and open your internet browser and navigate to canva.com. Once you're there, you will need to sign in using your credentials. You can find the login button conveniently located on the upper right corner of the homepage. It's pretty prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Just click on that button and enter your details. Now, for those of you who have integrated accounts, you have the flexibility to log in using Google, Facebook, or simply your email. This integration makes it a breeze to get started without having to remember additional passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Canva dashboard. From here, look for the menu option. This is usually represented by what's called a hamburger icon, which is those three horizontal lines. Click on that icon and a drop down menu will appear. What you want to do next is scroll down the drop down and select settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Canva account. Now that you're in the settings menu, pay attention to finding your team. You'll see an option labeled Team Details. Click on this to access more information about the team or class you're currently part of. This section is particularly useful because it provides a comprehensive overview of your team involvement. Within the Team Details section, you'll notice an option that says Leave Team. Selecting this is your next crucial step towards leaving the Canva class. Once you click on Leave Team, Canva will prompt you with a pop-up message. This message is designed to confirm your decision, ensuring you're absolutely sure about leaving. This is a thoughtful feature in case you clicked it accidentally or have second thoughts. Take a moment to review the information in the pop-up message. If you're ready and confident in your decision to part ways with the class, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, you'll no longer be a part of that team and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. That's it. You've successfully left a class in Canva. Remember, this process is reversible only if the class admin adds you back, so make sure it's the right move for you. We hope this guide has been helpful and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video with more Canva tips and tricks.